Now this T38P uses entirely separate water lines, so you're actually getting washed with fresh filtered water and not flushed water. I mean, who wants to use recycled water that you just did your business in to wash yourself? I don't think anybody wants that. So it's nice that they give us this feature of being able to use two separate lines to get yourself nice and washed with fresh filtered water. And this toilet is giving you heavy duty flushing as well. I mean, it can flush up to 2.2 pounds of waste in just one single flush. So if you're having just a bad day in the stomach and I mean, you really need to take care of some business, I mean, you should be good with this toilet right here. It's gonna take good care of you and it's gonna take good care of getting rid of everything. So when you get up, you don't see anything. Now this toilet is coming at a perfect height of 17.3 inches. So you can easily sit down or stand up. So you're not having to squat down too low, just trying to sit down on this toilet and do your business and then having to push up with more force just to get up. So it's a nice height there. And you know, this toilet isn't just friendly for your behind, but it is also friendly to the ecosystem as well. I mean, we're getting a smart dual flush that automatically picks the right water amount, saving up to 2,000 gallons a year. So if you're into saving water, you want to save more water throughout the year, this toilet is going to be the way to go. And not only are you saving more water, but long-term, you're going to be lowering your water bill as well. And you're going to be cutting your toilet paper use by up to 95% because you won't have to be wiping yourself as much because, you know, this toilet is pretty much doing all of that cleaning for you. And if you ever lose power to your home, this toilet still has you covered along with all of the features that you get to use with it because it does come with its own dedicated battery box, which is going to get up to 200 normal flushes. So you don't have to worry about that toilet dying on you, even if the power to your home goes out. So overall, I mean, I think the HOROW T38P Smart Toilet, I mean, it is a winner. It's definitely going to take care of you in the restroom, giving you a nice luxury experience. So you're not just sitting in the bathroom bored and not being taken care of. This toilet is going to take care of you when doing your business.